Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a paper peony. All the materials and template is linked below the video. I used a white cardstock paper and had a cut with my peony template, but in this video, I had 12 little pieces, 6 flower pieces. First, you'll have to shape each petal for the little piece by using a shaping tool. You could also use a spoon or other rounded tools with a foam mat, or you could use a pillow or even on your sofa. These tools are listed below the video. You're trying to shape each petal to be rounded like a spoon shape. Once you have all the pieces shaped, grab a floral wire stem. For these specific flowers, I am making them with a short stem, but you can choose to make them longer, and curl the tip of the wire. Poke a hole through the center of each flower shape and the leaf shape. Reorder them from smallest to biggest and add one of the smallest pieces to a stem. The curled tip from the wire will help it anchor onto the first piece. Then glue the bottom edge and roll onto itself. Add each small piece after, staggering so that it will fill in all the gaps. I am using 12 pieces, but you can choose to make more or less depending on how full you like the center. Add the smallest flower shape and add the glue on the bottom and attach. Also add some glue on the sides and gather each petal to go towards the center. Repeat gluing and gathering each flower shape going in order in size. Lastly, add the leaf shape and hide any messy parts to the bottom. Fluff up the flower and there you go. This is my white paper peony and I'm making hundreds of them for an order and I can't wait to see these all come together. I think they'll be great as a backdrop, gift topper, and so much more. Try making them yourself. Please like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.